Hi, I'm Jenna Rush, performer, producer, DJ, whatever you want to call it, art person. A lot of times creativity comes from just labbing out. Like a lot of people use the word lab and they sound cool. They like, oh, I'm labbing. But what does it really mean?
È una sorta di processo collettivo in cui noi coinvolgiamo il pubblico.
Just encouraging each other to really explore the outer limits of what we usually do.
The idea of probing inside something, finding what is inside.
I think the element of surprise and playfulness.
Unificar lo visual y lo sonoro, que desde un inicio el audiovisual sea un único lenguaje.
I really relate to this idea of laboratory and experimenting in the dark room.
You know, when you think of a lab, you think of a scientist constantly gathering data for that project. It's not something that just happens overnight, and you have to respect it and you have to enjoy it.
So the performance I'm presenting at L.E.V Festival this year is called Echo Chamber. The scenography is transforming during the whole performance. The panels are my controller, the instrument I built for the show. And with those long needles, I can control sound, I can control lights, I can control shadow movements. For me, the analogy is that we're inside those panels and that we can see what is inside.
It's a very dynamic show with a lot of contrast. A complete mix of different styles and genres.
We go into areas that we perhaps wouldn't go when we're working solo.
We explore chaos, noise, analog films, strobes, and a lot of intensity.
Nosotros venimos de la pantalla. Empezamos como VJs, trabajando con píxeles. Llegó un momento que nos hartamos de las superficies bidimensionales. Entonces descubrimos que con las partículas en suspensión, con el humo y con haces de luz podíamos generar estos dibujos en el espacio. Este interés que nosotros tenemos en la unificación de lo visual y lo sonoro acaba cristalizando en muchos tipos de proyectos. Uno de ellos es Forms, en el que 4 intérpretes de cuerda interpretan una serie de partituras gráficas generativas, tal y como van apareciendo.
Vengo con un proyecto nuevo que se llama Noisy. Es una pieza mucho más orientada a la escucha. La idea viene un poco de unificar las dos facetas profesionales, por un lado es la música y por otro la psicología. Está inspirada tanto en Pauline Oliveros y su deep listening como en el impacto terapéutico que ejerce el ruido de mar en las personas que habitan en las ciudades con playa urbana.
Zero show è un tipo di show molto fisico. Utilizziamo questi particolari guanti che si chiamano remidi. Questi guanti ci permettono di controllare la parte visual che è la parte musicale.
I think electronic music is a type of continuous music. Not exactly what I do with the piano, but the idea of this constant flow of sound. You know, the piano, the cello, and spine, and the visuals, all 4 elements combine into one experience.
The end of the world show is a kind of warning of what is happening to the world and to the human. We stayed here 1 week, 1 year ago, to work on the visual. And this is a part of the laboratory.
I feel like I'm interacting to every element of the show. So it was like a really great conjunction. It touches the heart, I think, and I hope the mind.